Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Pova 6 Pro, and today I will show you how we can put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button and select power off once it shows up. And when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. In a moment after the TECNO logo shows up on a screen, you want to let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. When you see this screen right here with no command, hold power button and press volume up once, and this will redirect you to the recovery mode. Now, using volume buttons, you want to scroll down and select enter Fastboot mode, or you can also select reboot to bootloader, which both of those options take you to Fastboot mode. Just this one is a little bit better and easier to navigate to and easier to leave. So anyway, once it's selected, confirm it using your power button. And in Fastboot mode, at least this one specifically, you have things like reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, enter recovery mode, which brings us back to the previous page, reboot to bootloader, which takes us back to Fastboot mode, and power off. So anyway, I'm gonna select the first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this just brings me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.